Good day, ma'am. I'm Althea Sapitula, and I'm going to present to you the Mustelidae family, focus on sea otters. This title identifies the subject of the presentation, which is a family of carnivorous mammals, the Mustelidae family, and specifically focus on the sea otters. So next, the overview of the Mustelidae family. Description of Mustelidae, a diverse family of carnivorous mammals. So Mustelidae is a biological family of mammals known for their carnivorous diet, long bodies, and dense fur. This family includes animals such as otter, weasels, martens, and badgers. The key characteristics is the elongated bodies, dense fur, carnivorous diet. When the term is elongated bodies, dense fur. It is the physical characteristics common to mustelidae animals. The long, sleek bodies help them hunt or maneuver, while the dense fur provides insulation and protection in cold environments. So the example is otters, weasels, badgers, and martens. So introduction to the sea otters. The scientific name of sea otter is the Enhydra lutris. It is the scientific name of sea otters used in biological classifications and habitat coastal areas of the North Pacific Ocean. So, the natural environment where sea otters live, specifically in coastal regions along the North Pacific Ocean. Their unique traits then spur up to 1 million hairs per square inch use of tools. So their unique traits, this is the distinct characteristics of sea otters such as their extremely dense fur, which helps them survive in cold waters, and their ability to use tools like rocks to open shellfish. So the importance of sea otters in ecosystems, keystone species, and in kelp forest ecosystems. Keystone species is a species that has a di- disproportionately large effect on its environment. Sea otters are crucial in maintaining the health of kelp forest, and a kelp forest is a vital marine ecosystem. So, summary of sea otters research focus of studies is to so wait lang. So purpose of the review is to analyze and highlight the significance of sea otters within the Mustelidae family. So the purpose of this section is to discuss and explore the importance of sea otters, examine their role in aquatic ecology and resources management. This refers to the sea otter's contribution to the health of marine ecosystem ecologically and their potential in guiding effective management of marine resources. Discuss current research trends and implications. The review will explore ongoing studies and the practical consequences or application of these studies. So, summary of sea otters research. Focus of studies. The main areas of research concerning sea otters. Population dynamics, the study of how sea otters populations change over time in terms of numbers, behavior, and survival rates. Impact on kelp forest ecosystems. research on how sea otters influence the health and biodiversity of kelp forest by controlling herbivorous populations like sea urchins. So the methods used in conducting research on the sea otters. Field studies monitoring populations in coastal regions. Research conducted in the natural environment by observing and collecting data on sea otters in coastal areas. Lab studies analyzing density and thermoregulation. Controlled research conducted in laboratory setting where scientists may analyze the density, thermoregulation, and other physical characteristics of sea otters. Key findings: sea otters significantly reduce sea urchin populations, promoting kelp forest health. Sea otters eat sea urchins which help maintain the health of kelp forest by preventing overgrazing. Dense fur enables survival in cold waters but makes them vulnerable to oil spills. Sea otters have fur that provides insulation, allowing them to live in cold waters of the Pacific Ocean. Recovery efforts show positive trends in certain areas. So the vulnerable oil spills can ruin their fur's insulating properties, making them cold and vulnerable to death. Recovery efforts show positive trends. Conservation efforts, such as protected areas, have led to population increases in some regions, indicating that recovery is possible. Strengths of research. Relevance to conservation highlights the role of sea otters in maintaining biodiversity. The research is directly relevant to the efforts aimed to preserving sea otters and the ecosystems they support. Scientific rigor, use of advanced tracking and modeling techniques. The research follows careful and reliable scientific methods, ensuring the accuracy of the findings. Innovative contributions. Studies on the interplay between otters and carbon sequestration in kelp forests. Some studies offer new insights such as how sea otters affect carbon sequestration in kelp forests, which could contribute to climate change mitigation. Weakness and limitations. Methodological concerns. Small sample sizes in some studies. Some research may have flaws in its design, such as small sample size that limit the ability to generalize the findings. Data gaps. Limited research on genetic diversity. Missing on Missing or insufficient data is certain in certain areas like the genetic diversity of sea otters, which is important for understanding their long-term survival. General Generalization. Findings may not apply to all regions due to ecological differences. The findings of some studies may not apply universally to all sea otter populations due to difference in regional environmental conditions. Alignment with current research trends, addressing issues such as climate change, habitat loss, and pollution. These are significant challenges that are affecting marine ecosystems. Sea otters Sea otter research ties into these broader issues by examining how these factors impact sea otter populations. Contribution to resource management, strategies for sustainable marine ecosystem management. Sea otter research helps inform better strategies for managing marine resources and protecting habitats, ensuring sustainability and biodiversity. So next is areas for future research. Investigating impacts of climate change on sea otter habitats. Future studies should focus on how climate change might affect the temperature, food sources, and shelter available to sea otters. Enhancing genetic studies for better population management. Researching the genetic diversity of sea otters can help manage their populations more effectively and ensure genetic health. Exploring the role of sea otters in global cycles. Sea otters indirectly influence carbon storage through their effect on kelp forests, which absorb carbon dioxide. Research could explore this further as part of efforts to mitigate climate change. Implications of for aquatic ecology, theoretical contributions, insight into predator to prey dynamics. Research on sea otters adds to our understanding of predator to prey dynamics, how predators like otters affect the population of prey species, and the balance of marine ecosystems, such as the sea urchins. Practical application informing marine protected areas design and policies. The findings can be used to shape policies and conservation efforts such as the creation of marine protected areas or regulations on population and fishing strategies or practices. So in conclusion, recap of key insights, sea otters are vital to aquatic ecosystem. In summary, in summary of the main points from the presentation, sea otters' critical role in aquatic ecosystem and their need for continued conservation. Overall evaluation, studies demonstrate the critical ecological role and conservation needs of sea otters. A final assessment of the research on sea otters emphasizing their ecological importance and the success of conserving effort, conservation efforts. Recommendations. Continued research and conservation efforts are essential. So, emphasis on the need for continued research and conservation work to protect sea otters and their habitat. So, thank you.